Clever Fox Value Sticker Pack is an ultimate collection of more than 1,360 unique stickers that will make everyday planning and journaling more efficient and fun. With 14 sheets full of stickers, you will be able to customize your planners and notebooks any way you like. We created the sticker pack based on the requests and recommendations of our past customers, making sure that every sticker was carefully chosen and would serve you well. There are stickers that will help you with planning daily tasks, following deadlines, highlighting important information, marking holidays and birthdays, noting appointments, staying fit and healthy, sticking to your budget, boosting motivation, and many more. We included special organizational stickers to enhance your everyday planning. Note your wake-up times, highlight daily appointments and deadlines, mark the days when you plan to go grocery shopping or do sports, see your friends, or just go grab a nice cup of coffee and have some me time. Use budgeting sticker sheets to stay on top of your finances, mark paydays, or the days when your bills and debt payments are due. There are 12 monthly tab stickers to mark different monthly sections in your planner, and special bookmark stickers to mark pages and places you want to easily find later. We also included some fun stickers to brighten your days, and a series of stickers with motivational quotes to help you stay positive. Let your imagination run wild and use your creativity to organize your days and get inspired. Each sticker is made of high-quality paper with a matte finish, making it really easy to write on them, plus they blend well with the planner layout. We made sure that they stick well to nearly any surface and chose a vibrant color scheme with delicate rose gold detailing, so these stickers will be a great accessory while staying functional. And with the amount of stickers you get, you can customize your planner any way you like. The world is your oyster, so get creative, boost your productivity, and make your dreams come true. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.